Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Webflow for AI page generation workflows step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Locate the project for which you want to enable AI page generation. Click on the project to open it. Once the project loads, look for the settings icon in the left sidebar. Click on the settings icon to access project settings. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab. Select the Integrations tab to see available integrations. Scroll down to find the AI Page Generations section. You may need to enable the feature by toggling a switch or checkbox. After enabling, you will see an authorization option. Click on the Authorize button to link your account. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to log in to your AI provider. Enter your login credentials for the AI provider. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions to allow Webflow access. After granting permissions, return to the Webflow interface. You should see a confirmation message indicating successful authorization. Now, navigate back to the project settings. Confirm that AI page generation is enabled and authorized. You can now begin creating AI-generated pages within your project. Make sure to test the integration to ensure it's functioning correctly. With these steps completed, your Webflow account is fully authorized for AI page generation workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.